Gusto nyo, ako pumapayag nga ako, mag-toss coin na lang. Para sa ganun, sinong uupo sa majority, sinong uupo sa minority sa first half and second half.
Okay, respect to the members of the minority na kinakausap naman kami, hindi kami salimpusa dito.
President, God is my witness, and we have been talking to the members of the minority leader.
Mr. President, with the permission of the body, Mr. President, I move to elect the following as members of the Commission on Appointments. On the part of the majority, Senators Alan Cayetano, De La Rosa, Ejercito Estrada, Bongo, Marcoleta, Marcos, Tulfo, Villanueva, and Villar. So moved, Mr. President.
What is the pleasure of the distinguished minority floor leader?
May I know how many members of the majority that the majority leader is electing into the Commission on Appointments?
Sir President, we are electing 10 members of the majority in the Commission on Appointments, Mr. President.
The Supreme Court has decided that if there is controversy in the composition of the Commission on Appointments, it is very clear that the Senate must follow the party lines and the party representation. So if this body elects to follow the Supreme Court decision on the articles of impeachment, why can't they follow the decision of the Supreme Court when it comes to the computation of membership in the Commission on Appointments? So therefore, there is no such thing as 9.6, 9.5, 2.5, 2.4. It should be members of the NPC, 6. 3 of them should be in the CA. Members of the NP, Nationalista Party, is 2.5 or 5 of them. So therefore, 2.5, 2.5 should be in the Commission on Appointments. And then the rest are single members of each party. And therefore, they could talk to the other members so that their 0.5 can be a total of 1%, 1 for each representation. There are easily 11. No, the PDP has 3 members.
Mr. President, in the same Supreme Court decision, the SC explicitly mentioned it is also a fact accepted by all such parties that each of them is entitled to a fractional membership on the basis of the rule on proportional representation of each of the political parties or coalition, Mr. President. So, Mr. President, if the question is every senator would have a 0.5 fractional membership, the senator does not actually hold the 0.5 fractional membership, Mr. President. Ang may-ari po nito ay yung coalition. Ito pong sinasamahan niya na bloke. And that's why, Mr. President, if the question is whether or not a senator from the majority bloc, for instance, would give up his or her fractional membership to another party, it cannot be done, Mr. President, as the proportional allocation of seats belongs to, again, to the party, coalition, or bloc, and not the senators themselves. And the Supreme Court is very clear that a senator is not ipso facto entitled to a CA seat.
And then yung alternative formula, which is majority-minority, okay. Pero we were expecting, the simple respect to the members of the minority na kinakausap naman kami, hindi kami salimpusa dito. We can make this easy for you and we can make it also difficult for you. We leave it up to you, Mr. President. My objection stands. I don't think we should continue with the election until we have discussed this properly, Mr. President.
If I may, Mr. President, thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, God is my witness, and we have been talking to the members of the minority. The minority leader even mentioned that we were talking to him, Mr. President, and the members of the minority. Senator Mig Zubiri, Senator Lauren Legarda is also aware of this for quite some time before the before the lull, Mr. President, during the order of business, our Senate President Pro Temp again reiterated our request and our intention to actually move for this motion because, Mr. President, under the Constitution, the CA shall be constituted within 30 days after the Senate and the HOR shall have been organized with the election of the Senate President and the Speaker of the House. The Senate was organized, Mr. President, July 28. Therefore, Mr. President, the commissioner appointments must be constituted not later than August 27. And that's next week, Mr. President, and we still have to issue notices, etc. Now, Mr. President, on the statements, and I sincerely respect our former Senate President, Mig Zubiri. Mr. President, let me just point out, Mr. President, no one's robbing of anything because we're doing this on the basis of the Supreme Court decisions, Mr. President. Mr. Can tradition on informal agreements between senators be cited in determining how many members from the majority and the minority blocks will be represented in the CA. Mr. President, again, this representation submits that we stick to the established mathematical formula and the use of Supreme Court decisions as guidance, Mr. President. Kaya po nagbigay sila ng desisyon so that we can be guided accordingly in determining the proportional representation in the CA. In the SC resolution, again, Mr. President, on Gingona versus Gonzales, the court said, no practice or tradition established by a mere tolerance can, without judicial acquiescence, ripen into a doctrine of practical construction of the fundamental law. In the same decision, Mr. President, in the Gingona resolution, it also states, who decides the question of proportionality, Mr. President? Who decides? The power to choose who among them will sit as members of the Commission on Appointments belong to the Senate, Mr. President. And that's why, Mr. President, even this representation who made that motion will submit to the decision of every member of the Senate. And furthermore, Mr. President, in the Coseteng versus Mitra, the Supreme Court again pointed out the other political parties or groups, and I quote, other political parties or groups in the House, such as petitioners, kaiba, which is presumably a member also with the coalesced majority. Ang sabi po ng Supreme Court are bound by the majority's choices. I think we have been debating on this, Mr. President. Again, that is the position of this representation, and we submit it, Mr. President.
We shall proceed to act on the motion of the majority floor leader with the permission of Senator Zubiri and the minority.
Okay.
Chair hereby defers acting on the motion duly objected to by the minority leader to elect the 10 members of the Commission on Appointments. Majority leader?
Mr. President, move that we proceed with the additional reference of business.
Any objection? Hearing none.
CA is such a powerful tool to get the secretaries on the right track at kung hindi dapat sila i-confirm, hindi i-confirm. Kung i-confirm, through our collective efforts, I think itong flooding at saka itong kuryente madidiscuss na maaga. So I just like to empathize with both the majority and minority leader, but emphasize that we have to decide sooner than later. Thank you, Mr. President.
Noted and entered into the records. What is the pleasure of the Honorable Zubiri?
Maybe there's still, we can ask for a minute suspension. Maybe there's some diplomacy left in this situation. Since the former Secretary of Foreign Affairs stood up and said that he could help in the diplomacy or this issue particularly.
Instead of suspending so as to make the most out of the time of the Senate, can we defer acting on the motion of the majority leader duly objected to and take up some of the reference of business while waiting, and thereafter we shall proceed to act on the motion of the majority floor leader with the permission of Senator Zubiri and the minority. Senator Zubiri is recognized for his interjection.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, with due respect to the majority leader, usually if it's that political party that makes the decision for us on who will be heading this commission appointments, we usually look for partners. We've been doing that since 2007. Mr. President, I remember in 2016, my partner was Senator Richard Gordon. And he allowed me to take my seat in the CA actually for almost 2 two terms or two congresses, which is the 6th, 17th, and 18th congresses. And may kahati po ako, kaya 0.5 kami. He could have taken the first 1.5 years and I could have taken the second 1.5 years. But what he did is he gave it to me, hindi na siya umupo sa kanyang position or karapatan bilang CA member. Kaya dito lumalabas, mga kababayan, no, sa ating Senate President, may ka-partner po tayo. So, that's why we computed it at 9.5 and 2.5. That's also the right of the minority to have the 0.5 seat. Kaya nga sabi ko nga, Mr. President, maybe if we cannot get ourselves from that deadlock that there's a 0.5 seat, but we must at least recognize that the minority has the 0.5 seat. I mean, schematics lang yan eh. 0.4 yung sa majority, 0.6. Pero sa totoo yan, 0.5 yan, kalahati-kalahati yan, Mr. President. Because we share our seat with another member. That's how it is. That's the tradition. I know Senator Jinggoy is familiar with that. The Senate President is familiar with that. We just look for partners. In the time when I was Senate President, Your Honor, the Senate President, I gave my share actually to the Senate President, to Senator Chis Escudero, so that he'll have a full membership of the CA. Kasi kalahati ko siya. Wala akong kahati dahil ako yung presiding officer ng CA. So yung punto ko po dyan, Mr. President, kawawa naman yung 0.5 seat ng minority. 0.5 na lang nga, tatanggalin nyo pa at ibibigay nyo pa sa iba. Papayag kami na may kahati po kami sa majority. Yung minority sana, pabigyan na makaupo din. Whether it's the first half or the second half of the 20th Congress. But that would have been the more ideal situation, Mr. President. Na kung gusto nyo, ako pumapayag nga ako, mag-toss coin na lang. Para sa ganun, sinong uupo sa majority, sinong uupo sa minority sa first half and second half. But really, hindi natin matanggal na meron talagang kahati kami doon sa posisyon na yan. Dati, nung panahon ni Senator, when I was Senate President, walang problema yung minority dahil dalawa lang po sila, Mr. President. So obviously, it was either Senator Coco or Senator Risa. Pero ito 5 po kami. So kung 5 po kami, that entitles us to about 2.5 seats in the CA. So yan lang pong apel na natin, that by tradition, we don't have any problem like this. Because naghanap po tayo na kahati. Kung wala po tayong kahati, di toss coin na lang po yung kalahati. Sinong upo muna at sinong upo huli. Pero you cannot rob us from that 0.5 right of us to be able to sit in the Commission on Appointments.
Mr. President.
Noted.
With the permission of the minority leader, I'm sorry I took his time.
The remarks of the gentleman is noted.
Mr. President.